Somebody's camping on the beach.
Oil prices dropping, man. I gotta put down fast.
Well, why not right down there?
It's too small. The only chance we got is Billy's pad on top of the mountain.
Well, I gotta warn who's ever down there.
But if you're gonna jump, jump. I got less than 50 seconds before my fan seizes up. Mama, just hang in there just a few more seconds. We gonna make it. Damn it, catch!
Hello? Anybody here? Hello? Anybody here?
Unfortunately. I don't believe you guys jumping out of helicopters. How'd you find me anyway? No one knew I was here.
You're alive.
I sure hope I am. Look, mister.
Magnum, Thomas Magnum.
Okay, listen, Mr. Thomas Magnum. I don't know who you're a stringer for, and I really don't care. But this is my last weekend here on the islands for a long time, and I'd like to enjoy it alone.
Aaron, we're going to get in your boat and get out of here right now.
I think you better leave.
No, I'm not here to harm you.
That's what all reporters say, and none mean it. If you are a reporter...
I'm a private investigator, and I don't have time to explain. Did a Paradise Found chopper fly over here a little while ago?
Yeah.
Well, it dropped David here.
What?
I think he's come here to kill you. Look, I don't have time to explain. Just swim out to the boat with me, and I will. Aaron, look, if I was gonna harm you, I could do it here just as easily as on the boat. Just please trust me.